Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all guys? I wish you all are in good health by the bless of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to my channel Iron Art Academy and my name is Farhan. Today I am going to show you guys a little funny monster drawing. It is very simple and easy to draw. So if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the get all new updates of my channel. And if you like my video, give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, you can give the dislike button, and you can also comment in my video how was my video, what I need to improve in my video, and what you like in my video. So let's go and watch the video.